On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will focus on TypeScript and Storage Manager. This article explains how to safely and efficiently handle browser-provided storage features using TypeScript. In particular, it focuses on feature detection, storage estimation, and persistence requests of the Storage Manager API. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Storage Manager is an API that allows web applications to estimate how much storage they are using and how much capacity is available. It also provides a persistence request, persist, to prevent automatic data removal by the user or browser. This allows you to control whether there is enough free space or if data will be automatically deleted, such as when storing large amounts of data in IndexedDB for offline applications. First, check whether the browser supports Navigator storage. This function checks the availability of the Storage Manager API in stages. Because Navigator storage does not exist in some browsers like Safari, it is important to check its existence safely using type of. If you want to actually run the code, you need to do so within an HTML file. In this video, we are only confirming that there are no compilation errors. After checking for functionality with Supports Storage Manager, obtain the usage, and quota from Navigator storage estimate. This function always works safely and returns null if the browser does not support it. Usage and quota are estimates and may vary between browsers. Use persist to request persistence so that important data, e.g., offline cache, is not subject to automatic deletion by the browser. However, it does not succeed in all environments. If persist succeeds, the data will not be automatically deleted by the browser, except by manual user intervention. However, requests can be rejected depending on user actions or browser settings. Verify available space before saving large data to prevent write failures, quota exceeded error. By checking available storage before saving, you can reduce the risk of write interruptions due to insufficient capacity. Local storage is convenient for storing lightweight configuration data and similar information. The following class uses generics to create a type-safe wrapper. This class helps reduce the risk of storing or retrieving data with the wrong type. With feature detection using Support Storage Manager, you can safely support all environments. Check usage and quota with Navigator, Storage, Estimate, and Request Persistence with Persist. In TypeScript, use wrapper functions and type definitions to write readable and safe code. The basic flow is check for existence, estimate, request persistence, and check capacity before writing to storage. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.